Phonics الصوتيات الحرفان AI
air. I want to go out to get some fresh air. I want to go out to get some fresh air. Sail. We shall sail for Cyprus tomorrow morning. We shall sail for Cyprus tomorrow morning. Again. Don't use my computer again. Don't use my computer again. Main. There is an Italian restaurant at the main street. There is an Italian restaurant at the main street. Pain. The pain in my knee had come back. The pain in my knee had come back. Mail. I'm still waiting for the mail. I'm still waiting for the mail. Daisy. Daisy is my sister's favorite flower. Daisy is my sister's favorite flower. Paint. I'm going to paint the ceiling on Friday. I'm going to paint the ceiling on Friday. Rain. The rain had not stopped for days. The rain had not stopped for days. Snail. Snail disgusts me. Snail disgusts me. Drain. We have to drain all the oil from the engine. We have to drain all the oil from the engine. Stain. You can use acetone to remove these stains. You can use acetone to remove these stains. Brain. Heavy smoking can damage the brain. Heavy smoking can damage the brain. Grain. Grain is one of the major exports of Russia. Grain is one of the major exports of Russia. Afraid. The kid is afraid of the dogs. The kid is afraid of the dogs. Contain. Contain. These foods contain high percentage of conservatives. These foods contain high percentage of conservatives. Explain. Explain. It was difficult to explain the theory to the students. It was difficult to explain the theory to the students. Complain. Complain. Everything is all right. You have no reason to complain. Everything is all right. You have no reason to complain. Faith. Faith. They have no faith in socialism. They have no faith in socialism. Daily. Daily. The museum is open daily except Wednesday. The museum is open daily except Wednesday. Rainbow. Rainbow. A rainbow is a natural phenomenon. A rainbow is a natural phenomenon. Tail. Tail. The dog wagged its tail excitedly. The dog wagged its tail excitedly. Trail. Trail. The hound found the trail of rabbit. The hound found the trail of rabbit. Retail. Retail. Retail sales fell in October by 15%. Retail sales fell in October by 15%. Jail. Jail. He served 3 years in jail for fraud. He served 3 years in jail for fraud. Fail. Fail. I'm sure that the negotiations will fail. I'm sure that the negotiations will fail. Frail. Frail. Her hands became too frail, and she can't hold even a cup of tea. Her hands became too frail, and she can't hold even a cup of tea. Nail. Nail. I need a bigger nail to hang the picture. I need a bigger nail to hang the picture. Raid. Raid. The hospital was hit during the air raid. The hospital was hit during the air raid. Faint. Faint. She gave him a faint smile and entered her room. She gave him a faint smile and entered her room.